Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili powder at home. First, select your favorite dried chili peppers. A mix of ancho, guajillo, and arbol peppers works wonderfully for a balanced flavor. You'll also need a spice grinder or a high-speed blender. For an authentic taste, consider adding whole spices such as cumin seeds, dried oregano, and a few cloves. These ingredients are key to creating a rich, aromatic chili powder that surpasses store-bought varieties. Next, gently toast your dried chili peppers in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step enhances their flavor and aroma significantly. Be careful not to burn them, as this can make the powder bitter. Once cooled, remove the stems and shake out as many seeds as possible. If you're using other whole spices, toast them separately for about 1 minute until fragrant, then let everything cool completely before the next step. Now it's time to grind your ingredients. Break the cooled, toasted peppers into smaller pieces. Combine them with your other toasted spices in a spice grinder or a powerful blender. Grind in small batches to ensure a consistent, fine powder. If you desire an extra smooth texture, sift the ground chili powder through a fine mesh sieve. Any larger pieces can be reground until everything is uniformly fine, creating a perfect blend. Finally, proper storage is crucial to maintain the potency and flavor of your freshly made chili powder. Transfer your homemade blend into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and heat. This will help preserve its vibrant flavor and aroma for several months. For more great tips, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, custom chili powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.